Too Crazy AI brings you today's top AI industry news. MoonshotAI launches trillion-parameter thinking model. Google TPU achieves 10x performance boost. Microsoft forms Superintelligence team. Major breakthroughs in both AI hardware and models. Let's dive into today's developments. MoonshotAI today released the groundbreaking Kimi K2 thinking model, the first trillion-parameter open-source thinking model. Its biggest breakthrough is native mastery of thinking while using tools capability, autonomously executing up to 300 consecutive tool calls without human intervention. It sets new records on authoritative benchmarks like Humanity's last exam, achieving 44.9 points. The model uses native INT4 quantization training, doubling inference speed while supporting 256K ultra-long context. This marks AI's evolution from simple chatbots to intelligent agents capable of autonomous thinking and complex task execution. Google today announced the general availability of its 7th-generation TPU chip, Ironwood, a major breakthrough in AI hardware. Compared to TPU v5p, Ironwood achieves an astonishing 10x performance improvement, primarily due to the newly introduced FP8 precision support. A single Ironwood chip delivers 4.6 petaflops of compute, while the maximum pod configuration integrates 9,216 chips for a staggering 42.5 exaflops total compute. Anthropic has already announced plans to use up to 1 million TPUs to train its Claude models. Microsoft today announced the formation of the MAI Superintelligence team, led by AI veteran Mustafa Suleyman. This team will focus on developing Humanist superintelligence, emphasizing that AI must always serve and be subservient to humans. Suleyman explicitly stated that superintelligence development must ensure humans remain in control. This strategic shift means Microsoft is charting its own independent path to AGI after renegotiating its relationship with OpenAI. Google today launched File Search Tool for Gemini API, a fully managed RAG system. Previously, building RAG applications required handling vector database management, document chunking, embedding generation, and other complex technical details. Now, File Search automates everything. Even more exciting, storage and query time embedding generation are completely free. You only pay a minimal fee when first indexing files. The system can complete all corpus queries in under 2 seconds, letting developers focus on building applications. Google Labs today announced that Opal no-code AI app builder has expanded to over 160 countries globally. Opal lets anyone create AI mini-apps using natural language, with zero coding required. Content creators are using it to batch-generate consistent custom content. Entrepreneurs are rapidly going from concept to MVP, and regular users are automatically extracting web data. This is a major step in AI democratization, enabling millions worldwide to easily build their own AI applications. OpenAI has another big move coming. Developers discovered GPT-5.1 thinking characters in OpenAI's CDN resources, strongly suggesting a new generation reasoning model is imminent. While OpenAI hasn't officially announced it, back-end code indicates GPT-5.1 will focus on advanced reasoning processes, possibly optimized for multi-step thinking and agent tasks. Rumors suggest GPT-5.1 will launch within 3 to 4 weeks, potentially bringing lower latency and more favorable pricing. OpenRouter today launched a mysterious new model called Polaris Alpha. It's a stealth model, meaning the provider identity is completely confidential. According to the official description, Polaris Alpha excels particularly in coding, tool calling, and instruction following, supporting a 256K ultra-long context window. This mysterious release approach immediately sparked heated industry discussion, with developers speculating about who the provider might be. Minimax today announced an important initiative that could reshape the AI ecosystem. Their M2 model introduces the interleaved thinking protocol, a new paradigm that alternates between reasoning and tool use.
AI thinks internally within markers, then executes tool calls, then continues thinking based on results, forming a stable plan-act-reflect loop. Minimax is working with OpenRouter and other platforms to make this a unified standard. M2 costs only 8% of Claude's price and is 2x faster.
Trillion-Parameter Kimi K2 is now open source. Minimax M2 costs only 8% of Claude's price, and they're both aggressively challenging closed-source models. If open-source models are already powerful enough and much cheaper, would you still keep paying for GPT-4o? What's your choice? See you in the comments. 22 Crazy AI. Stay crazy tomorrow.